5.10, second video. This is problem number 4 from our packet, our class packet, and remember you could have downloaded it if you haven't by now. It says 2 music CDs and 3 DVDs cost $85. 3 CDs and 1 DVD cost $61. Find the cost of a single CD and a single DVD. So we have 2 things we're looking for. We're wanting to find out how much a CD costs and how much a DVD costs. So since they're 2 unknowns, we need to give them 2 different variable names. We're going to call one X and one Y. It doesn't matter which one's X and Y. You just want to make sure you label this so you can always refer back to which one's which. So up here it says that I have 2 music CDs. So that's 2 CDs would be 2X and 3 DVDs would be 3Y, cost $85. Now what does that mean, cost? It means that when we add the 2 together, it's going to equal $85. So then that would be a plus, and that would be equal, and that would be 85. So we have one equation. When you have 2 unknowns, you need to have 2 equations. So let's look and see if we can find another equation for us. And here it tells us that 3 CDs, what variable do we use for CDs? Good thing we labeled it right here because it says we use X. So we have 3X, and since it's cost, that means we're adding the 2 together. That means add 1 DVD, that'd just be Y, equals 61. So now we have our 2 equations, which is 2X plus 3Y equals 85, and 3X plus Y equals 61. And this is 2 equations with 2 unknowns, and we need to solve them. We can either graph them. No, you're never going to graph them. Or B, you can use substitution, or C, we can use elimination. Now in the last video I used substitution, so let's try elimination or addition. It depends on what book, whether they call it elimination or addition. And see what we're going to do. Use it as a review. So when we want to use the elimination or addition property method, sorry, not property, we want to have opposite variables here, opposite coefficients. We want to have like a -6, +6, or here a 3 and a -3. So I need to decide which variable I want to eliminate, and then I need to manipulate the equation by multiplying by a number to get them to be opposite coefficients. So in this case, I'm going to multiply this one here. I want to get an opposite of a 3, so I'm going to multiply it by a -3. So we have 2X plus 3Y equals 85. I just rewrote down that first equation. And I'm going to multiply here, -9X minus 3Y equals a -183. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 6 is 18. Yep. I add the 2 together. I get -7X. These go away. That's what we want. We want one of the variables to go away. Equals 5 from 13 would be 8. 8 from 17 would be 9, -98. Now I divide both sides by -7. X equals, going positive, 7 goes into 9 would be 1 time with 2 left over, and that would be 14. So we found that X equals 14. What is X? CDs cost $14. Now I need to find my DVD. I can put it into either one of these. I will probably pick this one just because Y is almost by itself. 3 times 14 plus Y equals 61. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 plus 1 is 42 plus Y equals 61. Subtract 42. Y equals 2 from 11 is 9. 4 from 5 is 1. Y equals $19, or DVDs cost $19. Okay? All right. Let's try another one.